Marco, welcome to Barista and the unboxing of the new Rocket R91. We've saved a bit of time, we're taking a few screws off the outer box and it's just a case of lifting it off. But yes, this is the first time that we've seen, this is the first delivery and the first time we've seen this machine. It looks like a nice accessories box on the top. Okay, if you don't mind coming in and having a little look at this. So we've got the water connection kit, towel, blanking disc, obviously the manual. Got the lovely commercial grade handles. They've even included in there a nice Rocket bottomless handle as well. The deluxe tamper, metal scoop, group head brush, and I believe that looks like the clips for the steam one. Okay, we'll put this to one side. Looks like the 3/8 fit in as well on the plumbing connection. And the big reveal. So, nice cardboard protection even on the inside of the wooden row. Okay. Lovely Rocket saturated brew group. It might be good, Kurt, to spin around so you can see it in all its sides and all its glory. Good to show the feet if we can. So on this side. While we're here, it's an approximation, but I will do a few. I'll run a tape measure by just to see what the height is. We're looking at roughly 39 centimetres in height, approximately. Width, including the steam arm on the side, is approximately 42 centimetres. And depth without the portafilter handle, we're looking at around about 50 centimetres as an approximation. So there you have it, the flagship domestic Rocket R91. We'll be doing a close look review within the next few days, so you can see this in action, and we'll have a go with the pressure profiler. Okay.